Okay, so today's objective is we will be learning about the various case studies in network management, and we will interpret the management techniques, like what we could conclude after studying those case studies. Now, those case studies, it's not any randomly, it is given in the book of Mani Subramaniam. So we are taking right now those case studies which are mentioned in that book. So at the end of this lecture, what will be the learning outcome is you will be able to develop an ability to analyze the network scenario. Like looking at the case study, you will analyze ki ha ye solution ho sakta tha ye problem ka. And as I have said, the author has prescribed some of the findings or the solutions, but then the solution can be many things. Like somebody might think out of the box and give a solutions to the particular problem. Okay, so that is how we will be analyzing the scenario, and we will find a suitable solution. Yes, solution, it should be like feasible also. As a, we cannot talk in air and then say ki, ha, this we could do this to rectify the particular problem. So this is the objective of today's lecture. So module 1 we are starting. So the chapter name is Introduction to Network Management. So here we are going to study the various case studies. That is, we will introduce you to the network design components, the challenges of IT manager, then the goals, what are the organization and function, and then the perspective of network management. So these are the three major topics which we will be studying in this particular chapter. Now, I give you a first. This is not the case study that is mentioned in your book. Suppose it's a first day of your office. All of you have joined, many of you are placed, and you enter your office cabin and you are given a particular cubicle where you will be sitting. Okay, so, and you are a remote user. So you arrive at your office, suppose that is the regional office, and you first day, you don't have any work, you have to meet your team leader or the manager over there. I hope everybody is listening to the problem, because it's an, as I said, it's an interactive session. It's not that I will tell you this are the solution. You have to give an answer to this. So understand that it is the first day of your office. You arrive at the office and you are given your particular cabin or cubicle. You are yet to meet the manager or whom you're supposed to report. So you feel like, let me log into the computer, and it did not have any password. So you could log in. Now, I'm giving you a scenario. Suppose you arrive at the regional office and you experience slow, or suppose I say no response from the corporate web server. So since you have entered your office, a corporate office, you are connected to the corporate web server. Like in your DBIT, we are connected to the DBIT server. Okay, so you experience a slow or no response from the server. What will you do in this situation? Or would you identify, how will you behave? This is a question that I have asked you. You are sitting at a terminal, the desktop that is specified, their desktop, not your own laptop, and you are not getting any response from the server. What will be your step? Yes, you can unmute yourself and give some answers. Or I have to call names. Yes, Abhishek. What will you do? What, you are not getting any response from the server. I hope I am audible to all of you.
Talk to the server room.
You will directly pick up the phone, talk to the server room. Yes, that is what Atharva will do. Yes. Then Rishikesh, what will you do? Rishikesh, I will mark present over here. So Atharva is present. Abhishek didn't reply. Rishikesh didn't reply. Nikhil, what will you do? You are not.
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do in this situation? You are not getting any response from the web server. You have just logged in. So what will be your first step? You are an employee.
Ma'am, I don't know.
You will not do anything, just sit for somebody to come and repair it. Aparna, what will you do? I expect an answer, Baba. It's your elective which you have chosen.
Report the problem or try to troubleshoot.
Report the problem or try to troubleshoot. Now, when you say try to troubleshoot, what will you do in that? What troubleshoot you will do? It's a good answer. Yes.
Ma'am, restart or something.
Restart or something. Okay. Then try to troubleshoot, restart, inform the server room. Okay. What else? Abhiram, Aman, Prince.
Check your
Come on.
network.
How will you check your network?
Ping command.
Check if the connections are proper or no.
Ping command. Okay. Then Sunny. What will you do? Anil.
We could even try clearing the cookies.
Okay. Yes. You could try clearing the cookies. Others, what happened? Raul, Ashley, Samuel, Nikhilesh, Saurabh, Keith. Christopher, you want to say something?
No, ma'am, sorry.
Let's see. So,
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
ma'am,
Yes, बोलो श्रेयस.
मैम डे 1 है ना तो बैठेंगे थोड़ी देर और
थोड़ी देर बैठोगे, रिलैक्स करोगे. Okay, nice. Okay, so question is, where do you begin? Day 1. Yes, according to Shreyas, it is day 1. So where do you begin? कहाँ से मैं शुरुआत करूँ? I am totally new. Day 1. Okay. And where is the problem? Okay. Then what is the problem? Then what is the solution? So these are some of the questions. Day 1 है, Shreyas जाके थोड़ा relax करेगा, friendship करेगा, कौन है corporate office में. Okay. So then where to begin with? Whether I'll start troubleshooting or I'll start making friends. Okay. Or then suppose I have begun somewhere, then where is the problem? Okay. Where is the problem? कहाँ पे है? LAN कार्ड में है, नेट कनेक्शन ही नहीं है, पोर्ट में है, हब में है, स्विच में है, या मेरे सिस्टम में ही है. Okay, so where is the problem? What is the problem? Because see, all of you are engineers. You have studied that. Now our thing is I need to diagnose that. What is the problem? Or agar problem, if I have identified it, then what is the solution? And remember, this might be a trick which is already placed. Since I said, I mentioned it's the first day of the office. Might be your team leader has created this fault on purpose to see how you react. Okay, it can be a test also for you कि कैसा कर रहा है. Okay, ये बंदा क्या react कर रहा है, what he is trying to do. Okay, because you are supposed to sit in a computer and do all your work for the time being, and you are not. So that can be a test. Now, since it is the first day, that is what I am mentioning. Without proper knowledge of network management, these questions are difficult to answer. You will ping, I should know the server address because you are connected to the corporate web server. So ping command bhi agar hum denge, so I should know the IP address. Okay. So those commands I should be knowing. Ping is one of the command. Okay. So ping comes under the command where I want to check something, the connectivity of the network. So that also falls under the network management commands. So without proper knowledge of network management, these questions are difficult to answer. These questions are easy, but if you don't have the knowledge of network management, we cannot give the answer to all these questions. So what happens is, just see the previous diagram. ये तुम्हारा diagram था. Okay. And just see the next diagram which is there. So here you can see something is placed over here. Now, if your organization is quite good enough, there will be some network management tools already inbuilt in your network. Okay, and there might be some procedure like ping is a very open source crude command. You can say open source, kuch nahi mila to ping command hai. Okay, that is a solution. But then I should have some management tools. So with proper management tools and procedures in place, agar ye tumhare usme hai, corporate web server mein already hai, then you may already have the answer. So you have to just utilize those management tools. Your ping command is also one of the tools. Clearing the cookies is also one of the tools. Okay, but those are like known, not sophisticated management tools. So you can get the answer. So rather than directly complaining to the server room, Are baba, check my connections and all, you yourself can get the answer. So in what is the takeaway from this explanation is, I should have in my system not just a simple connection and data transmission and reception. I should have a management tool, okay, and some procedure should be there in my network. So that reduces the troubleshooting problem. So I should have a management tool. Till now, what you had studied in your CCN is I have a server, I have a client, I have a network, okay, and the data is routed from one end to the other end. Now, what we are trying to focus is this extra thing, okay. I require a management tool or I require some procedure for troubleshooting the particular problem. Okay. So some of the possibilities, okay, the answers which you have given, and these were mentioned is what configuration changes were made overnight. Okay. Many times, even we go to college after 1 week and we see all the PCs of one labs are changed, all the connections are changed. So some configurations were made overnight because the employees don't usually stay during the night hours. So have you received a device fault notification? Have you detected a security breach? Did somebody hack the system? Has your performance baseline predicted this behavior on an increasingly congested network links? So this could be some of the possibilities. See here, as I have said, there is not a permanent solution. So these are some of the possibilities which could be there. And we need to find an answer to all these possibilities. Okay, now, before I also solve the problem, I should first of all, this is very, very important, is I should have an accurate database of the network topology. Concept topology, whether I'm using a star connection, I am using a mesh. Okay, so that is also important. So first tip of your network management is I should know the network properly. Without having a proper knowledge of the network, that is the topology, configuration, and performance, it is very difficult to directly address the management issue. So a solid understanding of the protocols and models used in communication between your management server and the managed device. See, these two words are important. There is a management server, और management server क्या कर रहा है? एक certain device को manage कर रहा है. Okay, so there are different sets of protocols which are present or models which are present between the management server and the managed device. Here, students usually go wrong. They try to correlate the CCN part, data transfer between the sender receiver. No, don't try to avoid that word. So it is the communication between your management server and the managed device. Okay, so there are methods and tools that allow you to interpret and act upon gathered information. See, ping command, I type in. Okay, something I get continuously. Okay, and then control C agar press karenge, we will be doing all those things. After I press Control C, this much data sent, this much packet lost, this much successful, some statistics comes after every command. Okay, so what is that interpretation? That is what is important to us. Okay, ping, 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 ping hota rahega. Once you stop pinging, I get the result. Okay, so when we will be doing also those practicals, the command prompt Once I type in that terminal, it will give me something. Okay, that our work does not end. Our work starts after that. If we are into the management side, जो भी data हमें मिला है, okay, I have to interpret that. Okay, so after interpreting, you might feel, हाँ यहाँ पे this during this time and this time the congestion is there. Okay, data loss बार बार हो रहा है, packet drop हो रहा है. Okay, so then I need to increase the system capacity. So that is how you will be interpreting the gathered information. So all these are involved in the problem solving procedure. Okay, so, and also when I'm solving the problem, the response time is important. Today, if the problem has occurred and I solve it after 2 days, it is not useful. Then high availability, the information, it has to be secured, and predictability. I should be able to predict, हाँ कि ठीक है ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा है या होना चाहिए. If I do that way, so it should be predictable also. So these are some of the problem solving procedures. So what I want to say is, please understand each and every thing that is being introduced, because these all explanation you might require if some different case studies are given. So you should have an idea how to approach a particular problem, because as I had asked many of you, you did not give the answers. Now, some new terms, or these terms you might all already know, is NOC, a word we will be using. So NOC stands for Network Operations Center. It is focused on networks and system. So what is NOC doing? NOC, somewhere we will be using the word NOC, somewhere we will be using a different word. But most often in any management architecture, we will be using the word NOC. Okay, it's not no objection certificate, it is Network Operations Center. So they act as a sort of mission control center. So they are at the heart, you can say heart of the management system is my NOC. So it monitors and manages a network, including system security, performance, and backup process. This word you are usually familiar with. In any system, we have help desk. Now, what is help desk is, it is focused on the end user. Okay, so the customer is not directly connected to the manager who is sitting at the center. The customer or the end user, they are connected. Or if we want to raise any query or something, we first approach the help desk. So the help desk directly responds to the end user or someone representing them and resolves the technical problem as they arise. Communication can often be initiated by clicking a support icon, or by sending an email, or by calling on through the phone. So there are various ways every system might be following. Then the word which we will be studying throughout the syllabus is network management. Okay, so one definition of network management, you please note it down if you are writing some book some book or something. So what is network management? Because see, one topic comes, what is the perspective of network management? So suppose you are studying this subject and somebody asks you, okay, you are studying network management, what is the meaning of network management? So this is one of the definitions. So it can be defined as operations, administration, maintenance, and provisioning, that is OPAM of networks and services. So मेरे पास network है, that network is giving me the services, so I can handle the administration, I can handle the operation or the maintenance and provisioning. Like for Shreyas, operation of network is important. Okay, for Nikhilesh, administration. Okay, for other names, Aparna, maintenance is important. For Keith, provisioning of the network is important. Somebody will say, no, services is important. So for everybody, but actually it is the combination of all. So network management is defined as, so you please don't forget this since you're studying the subject, operations, administration, maintenance, and provisioning of what? Of networks as well as their services. I simply cannot have just deal with the network. Okay, finally it is the services we are providing with the help of this network. So OPAM, remember this. So that is one of the definition of network management. Okay, so the case study one, which is given in the book of money. So the hint is already there. The name of the case study is Importance of Topology is the deduction of this, but don't focus on this. So the case study का नाम दिया हुआ है case of footprint. All of you please read this problem which is there. Okay, so I am also reading it out. A stable corporate network consisting of several mini computers and about 100 desktop workstation and personal computers suddenly started crashing. Part of the network went down in the engineering area one morning. Since there were a whole series of users, and at that time we were not using a start or a hub topology, but rather old-fashioned serial topology. So what is serial topology? Where all the users were daisy chained to the coaxial cable. So one by one, all the users were connected. So since the network went down, we suspected a break in the chain, probably at the transceiver trap. Okay. Again, continuing with this, and that company lacked sophisticated NMS tools. So lacking sophisticated NMS tools, the information system personnel, okay, started walking the hallway, asking the user if anyone had been doing anything out of ordinary, which might have broken the chain and caused the problem. I hope everybody is paying attention. There was a sudden breakdown. 100 desktop workstation were there. Okay, it started crashing, and since they were using a serial topology, okay, they suspected a break in the chain, and they did not have any NMS tool, network management tool, NMS. Okay, so the person in charge, that is the information system personnel, what he did, he started walking, and every person, 100 desktop means 100 persons might be there. So he started asking everybody कि तूने कुछ किया है क्या, तूने कुछ किया है क्या, जिससे वो chain टूट गया है, and it caused the problem. So this guy, the information system personnel, came back and he reported to the manager or the in charge and said that no one had said that they had done anything. Okay, मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया, बाकी सब ने बोल दिया. तो इसका काम खत्म हो गया. वो जाके सबको पूछ के आया कि see, this is the case study that is given. Okay, simple case study where I don't have an NMS tool. So he came back and he told the in charge that those persons said they did not do anything. So he had reported it to the vice president. So the vice president, now vice president tak baat pahunch gaya. They could not solve that problem. So what the vice president did was he again started walking the hall with that guy, and he peeked into each office. हर एक का उसने office खोला और he himself was seeing to it. See, he had to solve the problem और उसके पास tool नहीं है. Okay, so when a problem occurs, we have to try everything. Okay, so he started walking. So finally, the vice president stopped and said, let's look up in the ceiling here. So he was walking through all those 100 cabins, and suddenly, and he was opening everybody's cabin and he was looking up. And suddenly he said, ki, हाँ, ये ceiling की तरफ देख के बोला, let's look up in the ceiling here. Sure enough, they found a transceiver that someone had been fooling with and that was not properly connected, which had caused the break. Now, once connected, the network segment came back up. Continuing. The guy asked, why did you say try here? Since the engineer in that office claimed ignorance. Now, I am not showing you that slide. Okay, so the problem was solved. So that guy asked, sir, आपने कैसे बोला कि look up here and the problem is there? What do you think? वो vice president को क्या लगा होगा? This is a very funny thing, but the model is important. How did the vice president suddenly he said कि हाँ ये ऊपर देखो? He was also opening everybody's cabin and suddenly he said that यहाँ ऊपर देखो. Any funny answers you have? Vice president को कैसे लगा होगा?
Ma'am, luck.
Luck. Okay. Let us see. See the case study. ये जो है case study 1, उसका नाम दिया हुआ है case of footprint.
Footprint on desktop.
हाँ. What when the vice president was moving around, he saw a dusty image of a sneaker footprint on one of the engineer's desk. Okay, so एक desk पे उसने देखा कि वो sneaker का मतलब shoes का footprint है, and then seeing that he immediately saw up, or वो ceiling was ajar, means it was open. Okay, sometimes you students you play mischief in the class, bench पे चढ़ जाते हो तो तुम्हारा वो footprint वो पड़ जाता है, and then the teacher punishes you, and many things it used to happen in the first year specifically. Okay, so he saw that image of that sneaker, and immediately he looked up and he saw that the ceiling was open. So the moral of this case study is nothing technical. Just see, there is nothing technical over here. Is you need to use all the diagnostic tools at your disposal. Okay, so it was just his observation. Might be he's a very senior person that he gathered. उनके पास कोई ऐसा टूल नहीं था कि देखो पहले भी नेटवर्क था, अभी अभी सारे नेटवर्क मैनेजमेंट टूल्स आए हैं, सोफिस्टिकेटेड सॉफ्टवेयर्स है, but earlier also the problems used to happen, and then these senior people used to solve them. In many companies we have consultants. Okay, so what those consultants do, they provide solutions. Okay, they will not be directly working with the corporate or with the company, but they give solutions. If any problem occurs, then they will give their opinion or what is their viewpoint. Okay, so the moral of this case study 1 is you need to use all the diagnostic tools at your disposal. And the case of, that's why it's named the case of footprint. Now this is case study 2. Now this answer you will be giving me. So let us understand case study 2. It is the centrally managed network issue. So here is one diagram that is given. So let us understand the diagram. An integrated network management system, which is INMS, it was integrating alarms from multiple element management systems. So I have multiple element management system, and what this INMS was doing, it was gathering the alarms from this element management system in a service provider network. Now each EMS is managing a domain of network elements. So EMS, you can say it's again a separate entity. So it is managing its own domain or network elements in that domain. So what it does, it collects data. Here you can see the arrow. So the data from here, it goes to the EMS, and this EMS passes the data to the INMS. So you can say INMS is at the center. It is collecting all the information from EMS, and the EMS is having its own domain and collecting. So this is the scenario given. Now let us see what is the problem. Each EMS records and displays the receipt time of the alarm. It is collecting the alarm. Okay, so the EMS is recording and displaying the receipt time, kab wo alarm mila, receipt time of the alarm, and that same time is transmitted to the INMS. Now what is the problem? It was observed that the indication of the time at which the alarm occurred was significantly different in INMS than that indicated in the EMS. EMS में एक time generate हो रहा है alarm का, and when the EMS is sending it to the INMS, there is a significant difference, okay, in the occurrence time. So the alarm occurrence time was considerably delayed, sometimes by hours, in the INMS. Now tell me, where could be the problem? This fellow EMS, individual EMS, is gathering the alarm and he is transmitting it to the INMS. यहाँ पे जो टाइम डिस्प्ले हो रहा है और यहाँ पे जो टाइम डिस्प्ले हो रहा है, there is considerable delay. Here you can say hours. अगर INMS को कुछ एक्शन लेना है या कुछ डिसीजन लेना है, it is a problem because the alarm indication. Now let me tell you alarm क्यों important है, because alarm is something I'm trying to notify my manager or the in charge. Okay, so अगर system में कोई problem है, I need to raise an alarm. Okay, so it's an important occurrence in the network कि एक alarm हुआ है, so the INMS being at the center, he needs to take some decision. He will give it to the EMS, and that EMS will then follow it in his domain. But here there is a difference in the timing, so the decision also will be delayed. So ये एक system है. Where do you think the problem could be?
Ma'am, ma'am, there is a single point for all the three of the EMS at one time. If the INMS only considers one EMS, then the other two will be delayed.
So can you put that in other word?
Ma'am, there is only a single port for all the three EMS.
Yes. So there could be problem at the input port of INMS. Like Srishti said, if there is only one port, so the INMS will receive out signal from only one EMS. So there could be problem in the input port of INMS. Yes, Larry, you had raised hand. That was by mistake. Okay. What about others? I hope you understood what Srishti said. There could be INMS could have only one input port and it could handle only one EMS at the time. So one of the problem is at the input port of INMS. Where else could be a problem? Yes, this point is listed in my solution also. Yes, what about the others? 58 students. Where could be the problem? See, you cannot stay quiet for this lecture. It will be very pathetic. मैं ही problem बोलूं और मैं ही solution बोलूं. It will be my opinion, not your opinion then. So very simple scenario. This fellow is collecting the alarm from his domain and he is forwarding it to the INMS. यहाँ पे alarm का जो time है और यहाँ जो है, there is a significant delay. And that delay is sometimes by hour. So where could be the problem?
मैम EMS को रिसीव करने में ही लेट होगा, ऐसे भी हो सकता है. EMS
इसको रिसीव
अलार्म
तो
कलेक्ट
यहाँ पे
हाँ, yes.
यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, मींस एट द इनपुट पोर्ट ऑफ EMS.
yes.
According to Shrishti, it was at the input port of INMS. यहाँ ये इंटरफेस में प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. What else?
Ma'am, too much processing time by the EMS.
Yes, right. Too much processing time by the EMS. Anything else? Too much processing time by EMS, then at the input port of INMS and EMS. Anybody else? Only two solution, three solution.
Ping issues for faraway users.
Yes, be loud.
Ma'am, ping issues for faraway users.
Ping issue. What do you mean by that? Connectivity issue?
Yes, ma'am.
Connectivity issue of faraway user. That is the word he is using. Faraway users. Then
depending upon the network element domain, like the type of network.
so the type of network causes a problem delay.
Like could be a hybrid one or a star, like the combination of.
So network, type of network you say might cause delay.
Yeah.
Type of network can cause delay. Anybody else? Shreyas, any answer from your side?
One of the EMS breaks down can be an answer.
One of the EMS breakdown.
And that can be same for the network element domain as well.
Okay. So breakdown. So component breakdown, I can say. It can be anyone. Yes, Jolly, any answer? Isha, any answer?
Overloading at the same time.
Overloading. Okay, so I will not ask much because people, I don't know, they are in what mood, they are not answering. It's not any derivation class. Okay, so some of the problem, your problem, whatever you stated, it might be present over here. So what was the root cause of, where was the root cause of the problem? Okay, as I said, there is no one solution to it. Is it a network delay? Okay, the network, various types of networks that I am using, there could be a delay in the network. Like you mentioned, no, there are hybrid network, this network. So due to that network, there might be delay in the data transmission. Or is it the delay due to excessive number of events? Just यहाँ पे network delay मैं बोल रही हूँ, तो might be due to the topology which I am using or the type of component. Okay, all related to the infrastructure. Next thing is it is delay due to excessive number of events. Now this often we can also experience if we are using our computer or desktop. एक साथ बहुत सारा हमने आइकन क्लिक कर दिया एंड इफ माय प्रोसेसर इज नॉट दैट ग्रेट, वी सी नो लोडिंग हो रहा है, कोई भी पेज ओपन नहीं हो रहा है, एंड देन सडनली 10-12 पेज ओपन हो गया, मींस आई हैव क्रिएटेड एक्सेसिव इवेंट्स, बहुत सारे इवेंट्स हो गए हैं, एंड सी एवरी इवेंट इज रेजिंग एन अलार्म. So excessive event also causes a delay. Then it might be due to the input output port which you people have mentioned, that is the input output port limitation of the INMS. Same thing you people were telling about the input port, it could be the output port also. So the limitation of input output port of the EMS also could be a problem. Like there could be a problem in the software of either the EMS or the INMS. It could be one of the problem. Okay, so whichever software the EMS or INMS is doing, might be that software is only having a problem, or it could be corrupted. Okay, so there could be problem. If it is in the INMS software, should the filtering of unnecessary events at the input be taken care of the problem? Suppose INMS ka software mein problem hai. INMS is at the global level where it is receiving alarm. Now, those alarms can be sometimes unnecessary also. In many of our buildings, unnecessary the fire alarm comes. Okay, might be due to some problem, but that doesn't mean everybody is running and vacating their flat. Okay, so there are some unnecessary events also. Okay, so that software, okay, should be able to filter out also those unnecessary event, because see, any event if it is generated like excessive event, it will be queued up in one system. Okay, so that queuing also might either we might lose the data, or waiting time might increase. So the INMS software should be able to do the filtering of the unnecessary events. So these are some of the cause which can lead to the delay in generating the alarm. If there are more points, you can definitely add to this point. Okay, so the answer to most of these questions were affirmative for each, but to a varying degree. हाँ हो सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है, हाँ होना ही चाहिए ऐसा. So there is not a permanent solution. Now the predominant cause is the stress on the NMS, although it can be traced sometimes to network elements in the various domain. बहुत बार क्या हो जाता है, इतने सारे, like we also in our daily life we have so many things to do. Assignment लिखना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, इससे मिलने भी जाना है, मोबाइल में गेम भी खेलना है, घर का काम भी करना है. So what to do and what not to do? So we are burdened up with too many things. So same thing happens on the network management system. So there might be a stress on it. Okay, so that could be also one of the problem. And this is which I was saying, transmission of unnecessary alarms also causes a stress on the network, and the network have gone down due to uncontrolled generation of network management messages. See, yahan pe we are highlighting on this word alarms. Okay, now why we are highlighting on this word? हमारा काम है network management. Okay, network में कुछ fault हुआ है. So how is the manager sitting at the center know about it? So I have to send a notification command. Okay, some new words will come later on, but the general word is alarm. Okay, OSI में alarm को notification बोलेंगे. I just type it out because those words will be repeated. So alarms, if I'm using OSI model, I will call it as notification. A notification message is generated. If I'm using SNMP, which is used in your internet, I will use the word trap command, trap message. So notification or traps are alarms. So एक network में problem हो रहा है and alarm is generated. But unnecessary alarm अगर generate हो जाएगा, so and since the alarm is generated, I have to transmit it to the manager. Okay, so that time also the network goes down. So we should take care that unnecessary alarms, that is notification or trap, should not be generated. Otherwise, again, the network goes down. Like if I have a limitation on the network and too many persons are making a call, okay, the network goes down because it will, that waiting in queue also आप इसमें है ना, वो क्या बोलते हैं, आप कतार में हैं and all those words they use. So we are kept in a waiting room, but that waiting room also in the memory, that queuing also has a particular size. Okay, so transmission of unnecessary alarms is also causing us stress. In the next lecture, it's almost the time. Just think about it. Tomorrow, I will ask you some common network problems. All of us are using the network. All of us are using at least a phone. Okay, so what are those common network problems? So this question comes in the exam also, like in a 2 marks or 5 marks question. What are some common network problems? Once I know the network problem, then only we can go ahead. Okay, so tomorrow we will start with this. You will tell me those points. I will type it out and then I will share the points which are mentioned in the book.